Writing Prompt Wednesday. Write a narrative about a group of scientists exploring the deepest parts of the ocean. Now, I like this because I love sharks and I love the Meg, the movies. I haven't seen the second one yet, but I've seen the first one and I love sharks. So, if I were to write this, I would probably drive about something back like if you play the game Ark Survival, different types of creatures like the Megalodon or other ones that you can dig up and throw in there. It's endless. You can do endless stuff. Being trapped on a submarine, being a sinking ship upside down like Poseidon. Like there's so many different things you can utilize and pull from. But remember, when you're using writing prompt, write without stopping. It's the best way to utilize it.